Hello everyone, this is Naveen Manda. As a part of this presentation, I would like to explain the kind of data analysis activity that is conducted by me as a part of completing this project. My project is to evaluate about accidents that happen at construction sites. Usually, most of the construction organizations follow various health and safety practices like Occupational Safety and Health Act. This is an act that is created to ensure that organizations take care of health and safety of the people or the labor that work at organizations. In this video, I will be evaluating various reasons for construction accidents and I would like to make some kind of recommendations to the construction sites. So coming to the agenda, in this document I will be explaining you the problem definition and research questions, and I will present some of the results as a part of analysis, and I will conclude the document. We know that construction is one of the largest industry if you consider any other country. As like similar to that, the construction industry is one of the largest contributing industry to the GDP of United States of America. If we observe the last 5 years analysis, the country has grown in this particular industry. It is also observed that the industry is experiencing increased costs because of the construction accidents that happen at construction sites. So though organizations follow OSHA, these construction accidents were experienced by the organizations. So considering that, I would like to say there is a immediate need to address these problems and propose at least 1 to advanced recommendations to the organizations. So here the problem that I considered is evaluating reasons for the accidents and proposing appropriate recommendations to the construction sites and organizations that are engaged with construction related activities. The research questions that will be addressed as a part of the analysis is the construction industry reason for accidents at construction environment is reason for accidents at construction sites. We will be evaluating various types of environments. Construction means workplace environment and its impact on happening of the accidents. Next, what are the 20 types of accidents that happen at construction sites? It also identifies reasons for the accidents. And the next one is I would like to present details related to the linear regression equation that explains happening of accident when we provide certain details related to the construction environment and the reasons. So, and finally, I would like to evaluate does the health and safety standards implemented in the organization, because if the organization has health and safety principles installed, the possibility of happening of the accidents will be low. So considering that, I would like to know when we are evaluating whether accidents happening or not, immediately along with that concept, I would like to ask a question: does that organization is having any health and safety principles installed? If yes, the possibility of accident should be low, or the grievance that happens because of the accident should be low. Based on my analysis, it was observed that there are various other environmental issues that are engaged with construction accidents. If you see material handling related issues, work surface related issues, pinch point actions, these are some of the environment related elements. When we cross check equipment that we use, the type of equipment or material that we used at the workplace, it is also comes under part of workplace environment. That is one of the main reason for construction accidents. Okay, so we can see top 10 or top 20 relevant information that is causing accidents. If you see, material handling is causing 635 accidents when the selected data is considered. So next is top 20 accidents. Hazardous situation is one of the main reason for causing of accidents, and when compared to that, all other accidents are very small. So we consider the most important reasons for happening of accidents are creating experiencing hazardous situations and non-usage of safety devices. So next, linear equation. So in this, if we consider a linear regression equation for the covariant factors or correlated factors in the given data, the accident happening can be decided by evaluating 0.2 into environmental factor and human 0.12 times of human factor, event type and building stores. When these four factors are considered, the accident happening can be formulated by using this linear regression equation, and it is observed that the linear regression equation is 80% generating accurate results.